Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable biome response optimization on your M65 RGB Ultra. So first, we're gonna go over into the gear icon right in the home section in our iCUE app. Here we're gonna click on a gear icon, and we wanna make sure that here we are in the device settings of our mouse. We're gonna click on biome response optimization, and once it's enabled, it's done. So this was a really quick tutorial. Basically, a biome response optimization will help you respond to all of the buttons on your mouse. So there's 8 of them. This should definitely help, and that's basically it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.